How to add Instagram account on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to get your Instagram username, whether by copying it or memorizing it. And once you do that, you go back to your Facebook and navigate to your profile page, and from the information section click on edit public details, and here you need to scroll all the way down to links and click on add, and from the social links click on add social link and select the platform to be Instagram from the drop down, and then copy your username right here. And once you do that, you can see that Facebook has recognized your Instagram account, so click on save at the top of the screen to save the changes. And once you go back to your profile page, you can see that Facebook has added your Instagram account right here, and when people click on it, it will redirect them to your profile. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add Instagram link to your Facebook profile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.